Welcome to everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the computer scientist and highly cited researcher of 2020, Dr. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani. In this video, we will tell you the biography of Dr. Mubashir, the things on which Dr. Rahmani is working on, awards, books, and research work of Dr. Rahmani, daily routine of Dr. Rahmani, and message of Dr. Rahmani. So stay with us, very informative video, so watch the video till end. Professor Dr. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani, computer scientist and highly cited researcher of 2020. So first of all, you have to know who a highly cited researcher is. The importance of a highly cited researcher in the field of computer is exactly like that of a Nobel Prize winner. Highly cited researchers are identified by Clarivate Web of Science and are defined as prominent individual researchers in each of 21 subject categories who have demonstrated great influence in their field as measured by citations to their research paperwork of the world's population of scientists and social scientists. Highly cited researchers represent 1 in 1000. Biography of Dr. Mubashir. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani is working as an assistant lecturer in Department of Computer Science, Cork Institute of Technology, CIT, Ireland, which is recently named as Munster Technological University. He worked as an assistant professor for 5 years in the Department of Electrical Engineering, COMSAT's Institute of Information Technology, Wakhan, Pakistan. He received the PhD degree from Paris, France in 2011, the MS degree in Networks and Telecommunications from L2S Laboratory of Signals, and the Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Systems Engineering from Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, Pakistan in 2004. In May 2013, the Higher Education Commission HEC Government of Pakistan selected him as an HEC approved supervisor. What things he is working on? Dr. Mubashir's work focuses on wireless networks, blockchain, cognitive radio networks, and software-defined networks. He has written over 100 peer-reviewed articles, of which 12 feature among highly cited articles by Clarivate Analytics. Dr. Rahmani's research work. Dr. Rahmani has 100 publications and has been cited a total of 5,868 times according to Google Scholar. His paper titled Applications of Wireless Sensor Networks for Urban Areas. A survey is one of his most popular papers and has been cited 514 times. He has also received multiple Best Paper awards over the course of his tenure. Awards of Dr. Rahmani. Professor Dr. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani, a Pakistani nationality, received highly cited researcher award of 2020 by Clarivate Web of Science, and he is the only one who received this award in Pakistan and Ireland. He consecutively received Research Productivity Award in 2016 to 2017 and also ranked number 1 in all engineering disciplines from the Pakistan Council for Science and Technology, PCST, Government of Pakistan. He also received the Certificate of Appreciation Exemplary Editor of the IEEE Communications Survey and Tutorials for the year 2015 from the IEEE Communications Society. He received Best Paper Award in 2017 from Higher Education Commission, HEC, Government of Pakistan. He was a recipient of Best Paper Award in 2018 from the Journal of Network and Computer Applications. He received Best Researcher of the Year 2015 from COMSAT's University. He received Best Paper Award from IEEE Communications Society Technical Committee on Communication System Integration and Modeling in 2017. Professor Dr. Mubashir Hussain's research work has been recognized internationally and he has received several awards. Books of Dr. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani. Number 1. Blockchain System and Communication Networks from Concepts to Implementation. Number 2. Next Generation Wireless Terahertz Communication Networks. Number 3. Blockchain-enabled fog and edge computing concepts, architectures and applications. Number 4. Transportation and power grid in smart cities, communication networks and services. Number 5. Cognitive radio, mobile communications and wireless networks. Number 6. Emerging communication technologies based on wireless sensor networks. Number 7. Cognitive radio sensor networks, applications, architectures and challenges. Number 8. Operation, construction and functionality of direct current machines. Dr. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani daily routine. In this regard, Dr. Hemani said, I get up early in the morning, I recite Surah Yasin in the morning, and I believe in the hadith that Allah Himself takes responsibility for the deeds of those who recite Surah Yasin. It doesn't mean I don't do anything. It means my mind will open up and I will be able to do more and better. He further says that all my work is based on international level research and all this is possible only when I am calm and refreshed. Don't compromise on principles. In this regard, Dr. Mubashir said, I have always tried to work in the right direction with full attention and hard work. Speak the truth and take the straight path. Many times I was pressured to compromise. I have never adopted shortcuts but have worked hard to prove myself. Message of Professor Dr. Mubashir Hussain Rahmani. If you want to achieve lasting success, work hard and take the right direction. Subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.